must know what is cyber security, what sort of applications we are going to do, demonstrate, and by using Python. See, to protect computer systems against the attackers, that is called cyber security, or cyber security is a way of protecting network, computers, servers, and other programs from the attacks of cyber criminals. That is called cyber security. So before going to cyber security, so within 60 seconds, how many users are connected to this internet world? I'm going to demonstrate practical so that wherever users are presented, there might be security issues. Now let's see how many users are connected to Facebook right now. 1 million logging and 3.8 million search queries, 6,94,444 hours watched in Netflix, 4.5 million videos viewed in YouTube, 1.8 million emails sent. See, these all are why I am explaining. Wherever the data is presented, wherever the networks are there, like social networks or any kind of Instagram, Twitter, networks are there, there might be presented cyber security issues. If you see practically www.internetlivestats.com, you come to know how many users are connected to in this internet world. See, I'm going to show you practicals. The URL is www.internetlivestats.com. Now, it is retrieving the data from internet users in the worldwide. How many users are connected to this internet? Internet is nothing but network of networks. Network is nothing but interconnected between the computers and servers. So if you see right now how many users are connected to this internet. Internet is developed by Bold, Bernard, Newman, and three scientists has been proposed. So there may be three types of networks: local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. So because of this, yeah, 1 second, maybe it is not retrieving right now data because of internet. And let me see in this one. See now how many users are connected to this internet world. Now see the number is changing here. YouTube video hours. So the number is drastically changing now. How many videos uploaded per second? How many Facebook users are uploading their photos, videos, etc. So today I am going to explain cybersecurity contents, introduction to cybersecurity, Python programming, computer networks, cloud computing, information security, cryptography, and mobile security, and finally ethical hacking. These are the professional diploma course in cyber security I'm handling in my Blue Crest University, and I'm going to demonstrate real-time applications like Python for Wi-Fi cracking, Python for password breaking, Python for password cracking, use cases of cyber security, and this is the first semester syllabus is 4 subjects. This week I am going to explain 4 subjects with the practical demonstration right now, and followed by the next week I am going to explain information security, cryptography, mobile security, ethical hacking. This is my complete agenda of 2 week. I mean this week and next week I am going to demonstrate in foreign expert lecture cyber security applications using Python. So in an introduction to cyber security, what I am going to explain, What are the fundamentals of cyber security? What are the components of cyber security? Workflow of cyber security threats, cyber security principles, cyber security techniques, cyber security tools. In second module, in Python programming, what I am going to cover, what are the variables, data types, basic mathematical operations, operator precedence, string operations, functions, conditional statements, classes and objects, collections like tuples, list, dictionaries, loop statements, file operations, exceptions. If you want to learn advanced Python, you can go for standard libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Theano, TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. And third module, computer networks. Computer networks is nothing but interconnected between the autonomous computers in a network is called computer networks. There are three types of networks we can see in general: local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. What I am going to cover: introduction to computer networks, types of computer networks, open system interface layers, OSI layers. And OSI layers short form is PDN TSPA: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. I am going to demonstrate each layer in practicals. Then cloud computing. Cloud computing is an internet-based technology. Without internet, you cannot access any kind of service. That is called cloud computing. Cloud computing backbone is data center and virtualization. So data center is nothing but a collection of high integrated servers at one place. That is called a data center. And virtualization means the ability to perform multiple computers or multiple tasks in a single system with the help of virtualization softwares such as VMware, Hypervisor, Zen, etc. So today in cloud computing, I am going to explain introduction to cloud computing, characteristics of cloud computing, types of clouds, services of cloud computing, what is cloud architecture, virtualization, cloud security, case studies like SaaS, software as a service, by using salesforce.com. I'm going to demonstrate practicals. Case study on a platform as a service by using MS Azure. I'm going to demonstrate few application. Case study infrastructure as a service by using Amazon Cloud EC2 and S3. I'm going to show you some practicals. Then the fifth subject is information security. Here I am going to cover introduction to information security, confidentiality, integrity, availability, components of information security, types of information security, principles of information security, and layers of information security. Then sixth module, cryptography and network security. Here I am going to cover introduction to cryptography, network security, principles of security, network security and cryptography, basic concepts of cryptography, concepts of network security, key pillars of cryptography, difference between network security and cryptography, principles of cryptography, types of cryptography. Then the seventh module is mobile security. These days we are using mobile phones with a high, huge number of apps. So whenever you are using huge number of apps, there might be a security issue, cyber related crimes. So that's why we need to be study this mobile security. Introduction to mobile security, types of mobile security, good mobile security practices, 6 steps to secure your mobile device, mobile user security, why mobile security is important, what are the two main mobile threats, how do you secure a mobile device, how are your mobile devices made secure. So the last module is ethical hacking. Introduction to ethical hacking, types of hacking, concepts of hacking, phases of ethical hacking. What does ethical hacking include? Topics are there in the ethical hacking, hacking tools, hacking techniques, etc. Then followed by the practicals, I'm going to demonstrate Python code to cracking the password, Python code for password breaking with number of iterations, Python code to check the strength of password, to find the simple security holes in your system. So maybe port range 1 to 32,767 port, and to find the advanced security holes in your system, port number 1 to 32767. Study of steps to protect your personal computer system by creating user accounts with passwords and types of user accounts for safety and security. Study the steps to protect a Microsoft Word document of different version with a different operating system. Study the steps to remove passwords from Microsoft Word. Study various methods of protecting and securing databases. Study how to make strong passwords and passwords cracking techniques, and study the steps to hack a strong password. Study of different wireless networks components and features of any one of the mobile security apps. Study of the features of firewall in providing network security, and to set firewall security in Windows. Steps to ensure security of any one web browser like Mozilla, Firefox, Google Chrome. Study of different types of vulnerabilities for hacking a website or web application. Analysis the security vulnerabilities of e-commerce services. Analysis the security vulnerabilities of email application. Hardware Trojan design in AES crypto system. Hardware security primitive puff designs. Vulnerabilities of computing platforms, and hardware Trojan detection in FPGA bit files.